Hello everyone, welcome to Doctor's Walk. So today I came to Kaufland, which is one of the biggest supermarket in Germany. So I'll show you what will be there inside. I'll show you the groceries prices in Germany and I'll tell you how to do budget friendly shopping. So we should insert 50 cents or 1 euro coin to get this trolley. After shopping, we must keep it in same place to get the coin back. So we just entered the supermarket. Here we can see fruit section. As of today, 1 euro is equal to 90 rupees and this is 100 grams of blueberries costs around 90 rupees, that is 1 euro. And now we can see different types of oranges. There are many different kinds of oranges here. So these are the wide range of cooking oils used by Germans. Generally I use sunflower oil. So here we can get 1 liter bottle, which I am showing here. Now I'll show you the price. So you can see here it's around 1.09 euros. Here we can see lemons which are very big in size. Normally we won't find these lemons in India. You can see two kinds of price cards. Usually it will be in white color and discount one will be in red color. Here I'll show you different kinds of fruits which are available in German supermarkets. So this is mini watermelon which costs around 3.49 per stalk. Per stalk means per price. Raw mangoes which is in discount, that is in red color board. So 1.79 euros. This is Kika fruit which tastes like a mango. Per piece it is 69 cents. And these are musk melons which cost 2.49 euros. Here you can see other fruits as well with price tags. Here you can see coconuts which cost around 1.49 per scoop, that is one piece, as I said before. Now I am going to show you the difference between bio and non-bio products, that is organic and non-organic products. Here you can see kiwi fruits which has bio on it, that is cost in 3.49 euros, and this is kiwi without bio tag, that is 1.79 euros. And here comes the bananas without bio, that is 0.99 cents. And here I am showing you the tag of bio that costs around 1.99. The taste won't be different, but it depends on you which one you want to buy. Now I am showing you how to weigh these bananas. So now I am weighing bananas with cover. Again, there are different types of bananas which are bio and non-bio products. You should select which one you are buying, and we'll get sticker like this and we should stick on that cover. And now we can bill it. Now I'm showing you the products with cover. There are 3 different types, with bag, cover and without anything. We should select what we are buying. Ops means fruits, gemuse means vegetables. So I'm buying onions here. So I'm going to select onions now. So as I said before, we'll get the sticker like this. These are mint plants, that is around 0.89 euros. So we can use it in curries, etc. These are cabbages. I'm showing you the prices. 0.59 euros per scoop, that is one piece. Here I took spinach, that is 2 euros. These all are burger leaves. These both all are in red color, which is in discount. I'm showing you all the vegetables which are available in Germany and the price as well. Here comes different types of carrots. We can find 1 kg, 2 kg or loose products as well. If you buy loose products, as I showed before, you should weigh them. I don't know, after coming here I have seen different kinds of carrots, potatoes, etc. They'll name something on that and the prices will be different, but the taste is same. Yeah, the taste will be same. These are 2.5 kgs potatoes, which is around 2 euros. That is non-bio product, non-organic. Now I'll show you the bio product, which is organic. 1.5 kg is 3 euros. You can see the price difference. Here I'm showing you the tomatoes prices. I'm buying 1 kg tomato, which is around 2.29 euros. Again, there are different types of tomatoes, mini tomatoes, and these are mini tomatoes which will be used in salads. These are very costly. That small box costs around 3 euros. Here you can see the price tag. Here there are colas, Pepsis, which cost around 0.69 euros. So these prices are same as in India. These are soda water. Here people won't drink normal water. They say it's tasteless. They prefer drinking soda water. So they'll buy and drink soda water. Here comes the beer section. As I said in my previous video, that is 10 interesting things about Germans and German culture. Germans are second large consumers of beer in Europe. So there are different types of beers here. It's cost lowest price is 30 rupees in Indian price. It depends again. There are different prices and different types of beers as well. Here people will take case beers. As I said before, they'll take beer as a dinner. So there are different types of beers and prices will be different. Lowest price is 0.39 euros. That is 1 liter bottle, costs around 0.39 euros. That is the lowest price. Now I am showing you the prawns. That is 250 grams of prawns costs around 3.49 euros. Normally it's difficult to get prawns here, so whenever it is there I'll buy because I love seafood. Here you can see salami. You can use salami in the breakfast bread. It will be very tasty. There will be different types of salamis, that with chili flakes and without chili flakes. You can choose whichever you want. Here comes the refreshing section, coffee. Yeah, there are many different kinds of coffees. And so many international brands like Jacobs. I love Jacobs. It's very good coffee powder. You will have instant coffee powders also. And Germans are fond of drinking black coffee than mixing it with milk. This is Jacobs coffee powder. You will find different types in that also. Espresso, cappuccino. So here comes the Germans' favorite snack, Stangl. These are in different shapes. One it will be like flower and one it will be like sticks. These are 0% fat. They'll eat them as a time pass food. Next I'm showing you ready to eat items. Here comes the momos, which costs around 3.39 euros. And this is ready to eat noodles. which is around 3 euros. And here is the chicken curry and rice. So whenever you have no time, you can directly keep it in oven and eat them. These are different types of soups, which are veg soups and non-veg soups. So starting price is 0.85 euros. So here I am showing you the onions. 2 kgs is 1.5 euro. That's very cheap actually. It's in discount. Now I'll show you the normal price of onions here. €2, 0.89. Here is the tasty bread, I can say, which is stuffed with chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, whichever flavor you like. You can eat it as a breakfast or snack. It's very yummy actually. So these are sandwich toast, which costs around 0.79 euros. You can eat it as a lunch. These are milk bread. Again, there are different types of bread. Chia seeds bread, multigrain bread, wheat bread, brown bread. So these are different types of breads which are freshly baked. Price will be depend on which bread you take. And here we'll get a cover like this. We should take that bread with stick, or we can wear a gloves which will be available there only, and we should pack it like that for billing. So there are different types of breakfast breads. I'll show you here now. These all are breakfast breads. We can directly keep it in oven and eat. So as I showed before, salami, which is a chicken slice, we can keep that chicken slice in between this breakfast bread with omelette. It will be very tasty. And these are green teas with different flavors. The people who loves green teas should definitely try. There is lemon flavor, mint flavor. These are jams. Basically, many people will eat bread and jam. So you can find different types of jams like pineapple jam, blueberry, blackberry, whichever flavor you like. It's not that costly as well. This is honey section. Again, there are different types here. So it's a bit costly. Starting price is 2.69 euros. Here I am showing you capsicum and different types of chilies, red chilies, green chilies. Here people won't prefer spicy food. Most of them will have capsicum. So it costs around 1.79 euros. This is 100% pure coconut water, which costs around 2.39 euros. This is very costly. And here comes the coconut. These are fruit salads costing around 2.49 euros. And there are vegetable salads as well, which is around 2 euros. Now I entered non-veg section. In non-veg you can find chicken, pork and beef mostly. Mutton, here it will be very costly. Sometimes there will be an offer also on mutton. So you will find that offers on magazine. So you should check the expiry date before buying them. So there will be separate chicken items like breast piece, wings, leg piece, etc. Here comes the pork section. These are instant pizzas. Again, there will be veg pizzas and non-veg pizzas. This cost around 4 euros. This is frozen prawns section. This is on discount. On discount it is 4 euros, 6 euros. So these are frozen fish section. You can make curry with this. We won't find fresh fish usually here. Almost I had seen only frozen fish. It won't be so tasty as we eat in India because it's frozen. These are sausages. You should definitely try. So next comes wine. This is white wine and this is red wine. You can see different brands of red wine, and the price will be different again. It depends on the brand. So lowest price it will be around 2 euros. Here you can see. And there will be cocktails, whiskies, vodkas. You can check the price here. And there will be different flavors as well. I don't know much about this section, but I'm showing you this because we'll have separate shops for alcohol in India, but here you can find them in all supermarkets. So here comes the egg section. 10 eggs costs around 1.29 euros. There will be two different types, L and M size. I suggest you to take L size because both are of same price. This is milk section. 1 liter of milk costs around 0.71 euros. Actually, the price will be different for bio products. It will be a bit costly. Yogurt, which is 3.5% fat. You can find 1.5% fat yogurt also. This costs around 0.79 euros. It's in offer actually. So usually I will take this one because it will be in small cups. Once if you open it, you can use it and throw that. If you take big one, it will be a problem for you because we can't use the whole bottle at once. Again, we should keep it in fridge. This is rice section. This is short grain basmati rice. You won't find long grain basmati rice and Sona Masuri rice in supermarkets. You should order them online. So I'll mention Indian Groceries website link in my description box. You can go check it out. So this is sugar. They'll call it as sukar. So 1 kg sugar costs around 0.79 euros. So again here there will be bio products. It costs around 4 euros. So these are different kinds of flours. It won't taste like Indian wheat flour. So if you want pure Indian type of wheat flour, you have to order online again in Indian grocery websites. Here comes the Maggi, which costs around 70 cents. That is equal to 60 rupees in Indian price. It's a bit costly, but there will be different types of noodles, pastas with different flavors. Here you can see different types of spices. There are 25 different types of spices. Almost all the spices are available in Germany as well. Finally, I got the billing done. It cost me around 50 euros. Usually in Germany, for one person per month, it will cost around 50 euros. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Doctor's Walk. Take care. Cheers.